Hello, my friends. My name is Yuri. I hope you hear me well. And write please into a chat about sound, voice. If everything good, we will start our weekly market overview. Please write it into the chat that you hear me good, that everything is good. We can good, good. Nice to see it here. Friends, who else? Write please into a chat. Do you hear me correctly? If yes, we would start. And also a few words in the chat. We started. We started. For all members. Okay. Hi Yuri, cheers from Argentina. Yes, nice to see you. Matthias, nice to see you here. I hope I pronounce your name correctly. Friends, we start our weekly market overview. That's why write please into a chat instruments which is interesting for you. Also write please about sound, voice. If everything good, it will be really awesome. Also write please where you from and what is interesting for you. For example, my name is Yuri. For me, interesting gold chart, please. Hi, I'm from I'm waiting for your lives. I think we will do lives every Monday. That's why. Yeah, I think we will do every Monday lives in such time because it is a time when Europe still does not sleep and US opening. I think it's best time for everyone. Uh, can Japan go? I would like to hear your opinion on Bitcoin. Of course, I will speak about Bitcoin. What's about gold? Yes, we will speak about gold. Clear. I'm interested in gold and. Okay, I'm from South Africa. My name is Rahil. I like to trade Nasdaq. Okay, I also will speak about indexes. First, how we will do our webinar. First, I will speak about major currency pairs. After that, on for those currency pairs which is interesting for you. After that, we will speak about gold, oil. After that, Bitcoin, and after that about indexes. It will be really quickly. It will take approximately 40 minutes. That's why stay here and because you really learn a lot. Leo, hello Leo from Denmark. I was 1 year ago in Denmark, celebrate New Year. Awesome country. I love you guys. You always smiling. It's really awesome. What's about gold? Okay. Okay, friends, I understood a lot of questions about gold. Okay, let's start. Let's start our overview because I understood you waiting. Okay, I open chart and few words we will speak about major currency pair. I think it. Hi, I'm from Germany. I also love Germany. I was in Frankfurt. It's really awesome city, and I will be in Frankfurt again because I have a meeting so soon. Okay, okay, friends. Let's start. Let's start. I'm opening my watch list. Yuri trading watch list. Okay. Start from Euro USD. About Euro USD, a few words. As I spoke before, price broke up this range, this accumulation, this downward channel. With huge possibility, price is going to hit this key level, from which price bounced before. As you see, here we have 1 2 3 4 daily candles from which price bounced. It is a really important place because nearly this place, if there will be false breakout, we will be able to open some midterm buy because it is retest of a place where price broke up this downward channel. That's why nearly this key level 1.10 I would open buy entry after false breakout, and potential goal would be, first goal will be this one, this key level, and second goal would be to this high. That's why, friends, pay attention on this key level. As also you can see that I have alert there. If price will hit it, I will get notification. Japanese yen, of course I will do Japanese yen. I'm from Bali, came in Bali, Yuri. Of course I will be there because my friends was there and said that it's awesome. Okay, go ahead. Let's go ahead. British pound. Friends, today we sent idea about British pound. You can check it here on TradingView. It's a reason why you should follow me on TradingView. British pound bounced from this key area, from this key level. I want to show it to you on weekly chart, and after that you understood why we sent that idea. Because first take a look on this key level from which price bounced on weekly chart so many times. Few days ago, few weeks ago, price broke it up and bounced from it. At this moment, I think price is totally bullish, and next goal will be this key level, and with huge possibility price will rise. If you write please into the chat if some of you open a position because of our recommendation on British pound. At this moment we have only such scenario. If price will do some pullback, we will open by entry, and goal will be till this area. That's all. British pound, Japanese yen. Okay, we will do it. British pound, Japanese yen. At this moment, price in one candle range. What is one candle range? It is, take a look, this candle, and so many days price in this one candle range. Best entry will be when price will break out this channel. It will be best entry, and also if price will retest this border. When we have such accurate channel, how we can open entries? First scenario, it is when price break it out and we open entry after breakout, and second when price makes false breakout of a border of such range. It is only two ways how we can do it. What's in gold? Yes, we will speak about gold. Wait please, because for a start few words about major currency pairs. After that we will catch gold. Okay, few words about Japanese yen. Friends, price made false breakout of this previous high, as you see it. With huge possibility price will continue drop from this place. If price will do a retest of this key level, you can open sell, and really you can set really low stop loss because price made false breakout. That's why you can open entry with low risk, because you know that in trading it is essential to have low risk in every your position. About buy, at this moment when price below key level, you need to think about sell, because it's a golden rule. When price below key level, you think about sell, where to open sell position. While price above key level, you are looking where to open accurate buy entry. That's why if price buy scenario, if price will break up this key level on a pullback, we will open buy entry. That's all. Go ahead to Australia 200. Okay. Go ahead to another euro, British pound, another major currency pair. Yeah, I opened to position GP at bro, very nice analysis. Should I hold until it reach your TP 100? Yes, you should hold British pound, because risk reward is awesome. Euro versus euro Japanese yen. Price in this range, in this accumulation. At this moment price close to this level. If be honest, you can open buy position if price will do a false breakout. It will be risky buy, because this level is not really such accurate if like it could be. Also another scenario, if price will break it up, we will be able to open buy also. But best entry at this moment after false breakout here. Price mostly bullish. Friends, write please into a chat, is it clear about currency pairs which I just told to you? Maybe there is something which you need to which I need to set more clearly. Also push like and share it with your friends. Good, good. Very clear. Can you do British pound Canadian? Of course, we will do it. Push like and we will do it. Okay. British pound. First, a few words about euro British pound. Because we have a huge correlation between euro British pound and British pound United States dollar. And what you need to understand, price between these two key areas, sell zone, this sell zone, and also we have a few seconds. We have this historical low. As you see, you can open weekly chart. If price will hit this level first time, with huge possibility we will see a bounce or even a start of new trend. That's why nearly if price will hit low of March, first reaction will be buy. Of course we will do gold. Wait please few minutes after currency pairs, we will do gold and oil. Swiss franc. Okay, few words about Swiss franc. At this moment price in this range, in this accumulation, as you see, and you need to understand accumulation range, it is a place where big players accumulate a position. Always is the best to open entry after when big players accumulate a position, after they will show some accurate signal. At this moment I do not recommend to trade. The best will be if price will break up this key level, we will be able to open accurate buy here on a pullback with low risk. At this moment about sell, yes, there were risky sell entry, but I don't like to trade it. That's why I'm out of Swiss franc at this moment. Also about Canadian dollar, Japan, also about Canadian dollar. Price bounced from this level, but you need to understand, I don't like to trade Canadian dollar because you can check weekly chart and you will understand price mostly in a range. And we didn't see one direction move since 2017 years. That's why I don't like to trade also Canadian dollar and don't recommend to trade it. Okay, British pound Australia. Few words. Yes, we have British pound Australia, and it looks like British pound Australia broke up this channel, downward channel, and with huge possibility it will continue uprise. Best will be to open buy position. If price will make a pullback to this area, we can open buy position, because you see this channel, you can see it, I think, and something like this. I think it's clear. If price will do a pullback in this area, we will be able to open accurate buy with low risk. That's why I would set alert here, and if price will do a pullback, I will get notification. Yuri, look what's happening on to gold. Of course, we will take a look on gold. Can you please have a look on New Zealand Japan yen? Yes. When will you update us when you enter? I do updates when I enter for my VIP members. If you want to be a part of VIP group of our channel, of our huge discussion where I send all entries, stop loss, take profits, you should write on contacts below to my assistant Valerie and ask for participation. She will any special. For those who will choose 3-month and year package, you will get a special offer. Valerie will send all information. Below this video, the contacts, just use it. Okay, British pound, Japanese, New Zealand, Japanese yen. Friends, you need to understand, you don't need to trade all instruments because when price in a range, best for you is to wait. About New Zealand, as you see, price many days in this range and accumulation. Also, it is also huge accumulation. Best for us is when price, if price, better to say, will break up this level on a pullback, we will open some midterm buy in this place. Only after that we can trade. Uh, Czech Republic, okay. About Canadian dollar, I spoke few minutes ago. You'll be able to see it. Australia and New Zealand. Okay. Look at gold. In few minutes, we will take a look on gold. We will take a look on 3 more or 4 more currency pairs. After that, we will do gold. That's why wait and push like. Those who like my job, just push like right now. Okay, Australian, New Zealand dollar. Few words. Australian versus New Zealand. At this moment, price in this accumulation, and friends, be honest, it is not best place where you can open entry because price in this accumulation in this range and where you can there is no entry at this moment because if you open sell, for example, you need to set stop loss here. If you open buy, your first stop loss must be here, but most accurate stop loss is here. It's really too big, that's why I'm out. Gold going crazy, gold is melting. I like yes, push like and subscribe. Okay, friends. Friends, if is there any other currency pair which you would like to see, because we are going to gold and oil. If I would not see British pound, Canadian dollar. Okay, okay, British pound, Canadian dollar. A few seconds, I'm searching for it. British pound, Canadian dollar. I think it quickly would be if we will do something like this. I think you see price in up trend, every low become higher. Every low become higher. With huge possibility price will continue uprise. Best will be to open buy after a pullback because a British pound versus United States dollars is rising. With huge possibility it will take British pound Canadian with it. I already did euro British pound, that's why you will be able to see this webinar again and will find that currency pair. About what do you think about euro now, please? A few words. Thank you, sir. New Zealand, Canadian. Friends, 3 more currency pairs. After that, we are going to gold and oil. New Zealand, Canadian. At this moment, price in this accumulation, you can see it. Also, few days ago, price bounced from this previous 2015 high, low. With huge possibility, price will continue uprise, and because price nearly such low, better to open buy position. But really, best buy would be the best buy. Would be if price will do fails breakout, after fails breakout to open buy. It is the best. Also, you can open buy here and use stop loss something like this for a midterm. Euro Australian, cool. Euro Swiss franc and Euro Australian dollar, it would be our last. And New Zealand, and also I saw Euro Norwegian krone, Euro Swiss franc and Euro Australian. It is the last currency pairs which we would cover today. Euro Norwegian krone. First, you can see a few days ago price broke down this key level from which price bounced before, and at this moment it looks bearish. Till price below this key level, you can open sell position and set a low stop loss, because with huge possibility it will continue to drop. Okay, Euro Swiss franc. Oh my god, friends. Price in this accumulation also, take a look on this key level from which price bounced here and here. At this moment price is bearish. Till price below this key level, it is bearish and better to open sell position on some pullback, because take a look how it bounced from it really accurately. That's why what you can do, price do some little pullback, you open sell, that's all. And also another scenario you should pay attention, because when price will break up, it will happen sometimes. This key level, we have accurate key level. When price will break it up on a pullback, we will open buy position. Friends, if you think this is useful, please push like and share it with your friends. And the last one, Euro Australian. It is the last currency pair. After that, gold, oil, Bitcoin, and indexes. Friends, push like. There are a lot of you here, but so I don't see a lot of likes. Push it. Okay. Okay. At this moment, what I can tell you, we have a long-term uptrend. As you see, every low become higher. We have long-term uptrend. Better to open weekly chart even. Also, few weeks ago, price made false breakout of previous high. At this moment, what you can do, if be honest, till we in this long-term uptrend, best is to open buy after pullback. Price do pullback, you open buy. Price do pullback, you open buy. Till price in such situation, you need to do it. Your signature move, push like. Thank you, friends, thank you for pushing like. Also right now subscribe on our YouTube channel, because next time when we will do live, or when we will upload free videos, educational videos, you will get notifications. That's why right now subscribe. Okay, friends. Yuri, you trade with trend lines. I don't trade with trend lines, I trade with key levels. Okay, let's go to gold, oil. Thank you for currency pairs. Let's go to oil. Gold and oil. We need to see what's going on. Okay, gold drop. Yes, it's really powerful and nice drop. Friends, after that accumulation, after this accumulation, it's okay that gold is dropping. It's really okay, and it's normal. Best for you, what you can do is to pay attention to which level which price will drop. I personally recommend to open sell after pullbacks at this moment, because after this accumulation, take a look, price were in a range so many weeks, 4 months or 3 months, price were in this range, and that means big players accumulated huge position, and after that they can move instrument. You can check the same stuff here, price were in a range so many times, after that big players move instrument up. Similar situation here, price were in a range so many times, after that it rose up. Opposite situation, when price were here, price were in a range, after that we started a huge trend. We always will see such cycles, because when big players accumulate position, it's like a fuel. Just imagine they took 100 tons of fuel, and now they can go whatever they want. That's why best for you It is not things like we see crisis, something like that. Don't believe in that shit, because I read sometimes our, chat. Here we have Biko trading chat, and sometimes I read a lot of stuff from traders that like gold must be 2000, something like that. Friends, you need to understand, as a trader you need to pick accurate entry place with low risk. That's why at this moment don't even think about 2000, because yes, that can happen, but you don't know when. That's why what do I recommend for you? Best is to open sell after pullback, something like this price. And we have only two key levels on which we need to pay attention. It is this one, 1430, and a second one, it is 1400. Nearly 1400 I would personally open really powerful buy, because if price would hit it we will see something like a bounce, but at this moment it's bearish. It's bearish. Do you think it will test previous support? I don't think, I as a trader, I don't think I do only what chart showed to me. Chart showed to me accurate sell entry, I open sell. Chart showed for me open accurate buy entry, I open buy. That's all. You don't need to think a lot, because when you, for example, I have system key level system, which also I teach other people, and we already recorded a course where we teach step by step how to trade key levels and false breakouts. And I have my system, and I see, for example, price nearly key level, and I know that with, for example, 70-80% probability price will bounce. Why do I need to think what is going on in roll? Because I saw that how that system works when we have a lot of fundamental news, when there is no any news. I saw how it works. I don't need to. How many people in your signal channel? 137 people in my signal channel, and you can be one of them if you want. About signals, friends, I want to show it to you. I want to show to everyone. I have 300,000 account. Few seconds here, and all entries which I open on my personal account I send to VIP members. Also, what I do every morning, I record a trading plan for VIP members. Every morning, you can see it. Every morning, trading plan, where I show all instruments which I have on my list and which we can trade so soon. Mostly it is 4 instruments, sometimes it 10 instruments. Also today I show my VIP members that we can open that British pound is totally bullish. How much is average per month in terms of percentage? I want to join. Below this stream you will find below this stream, you can open this stream. I want to show you an example. You will find contacts, the contacts of my assistant. Few seconds, friends, because there's something with internet. Just wait and we will go to oil and other instruments. Here is our contacts. It is our Telegram. Just write to Valerie, she's my assistant, she will help you with all questions. And also here is a link on our all messengers, the WhatsApp, Telegram. And how many years have you been trading since the start, and which year did you feel like you had the understanding? Since March 2013 I'm in trading. Next March it will be 7 years. And also I believe me, I worked 1 year in a fixed broker. Also I bought my education cost me more than 20,000 euro, and believe me, I invested a lot before I understood how it works, pitfalls. That's why about gold, best will be to open sell after a pullback. Also, I want to show you one market structure which I call mirror levels, on which you should pay attention. If you will see it, it would be a buy signal. For example, we have something like this. We have key level, and for example price will come back, will bounce it from it down, and after that eventually price break it up. That means we have a key level, mirror level, and you can open buy from this place. On oil I want to show you push like sir, thank you Yuri. How much is your everything one? Write to Valerie, she will do you regret it? It's okay, write to Valerie, she will send all information for you. I don't think that everyone is interested in that. How about New Zealand and Australia? We already cover all currency pairs, and you can see them. I think we covered that. Okay, friends, a few words about oil. A few words about oil. At this moment, what I can tell you, you need to understand that oil it's really important at this moment. First, every low become higher, higher and higher. A few days ago, oil bounced dramatically from this mirror level. It is what you should looking for on gold, because if gold will show it, it would be accurate entry place. Because take a look, for example, on 30 minutes chart. You can see that, for example, like here, from this place, price drop down. After that, before price break it up, price confirm key level, and after that, price bounce it here, and second time, price bounce it here before price start up price. At this moment, price above key level, also price in this accumulation, and you need to understand if price will break it up with a huge possibility it will continue up price. It is accumulation place. With huge possibility it will continue up price, because gold dropping, oil with huge possibility will rise. Best is to open buy after pullback, because take a look, every low higher, higher, every low higher, higher, deep pullback, after that every low higher, higher. It's totally a bullish picture. It's really powerful bullish picture. Gold dropping. As I told, how many signals per day on average? I told that all questions you can send to Valerie, my assistant. She will send all information. How many signals? How it costs? I don't answer on it here. Nasdaq first place after oil. Gold dropping. Do you regret it? Okay. Okay, we done oil. At this moment, few words about S&P 500, S&P 500 and Nasdaq. Friends, S&P 500 in long term price bullish, because take a look, every low become higher, 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 higher. Also we have this triangle and price broke it up. Best will be if price will do a pullback in this area to open buy for some midterm. It will be the best scenario. Also about Nasdaq, you need to understand S&P 500 and Nasdaq, they have correlation more than 80%. That's why with huge possibility if S&P 500 will do a pullback, Nasdaq will do also that pullback, and they will rise together, because correlation more than 80%. Every low become higher, also this triangle, and price broke it up. Totally bullish picture, plus fundamentally American government decrease interest rate, economy rising. That's why there is no reason for huge powerful sell at this moment. Yuri, what are the time frame you are looking at for a false breakout? False breakout, it is when we have key level, price broke it and came back. Key level I'm looking on daily, weekly. False breakout can happen on 1 minute, on 5 minutes, on 1 hour. As of your experience, how is the correlation between oil and Canadian dollar? there must be some Excel with correlation between instruments. You can check it from my experience. From my experience, you need to trade instrument and you need to use your trading patterns, and doesn't matter is there any correlation. Do we can look at Bitcoin? Thanks, bro. Yes, friends, and the last one on this webinar, it will be Bitcoin. At this moment, I will show you what could be with this most interesting cryptocurrency pair, because many of you waited for it. Write please into a chat. Is it interesting for you to see what my thoughts about Bitcoin, where it could be? Thank you, thank you. It's for me. It's pleasure to see it. Yuri is an amazing person. Thank you. Friends, write please in the chat, is it interesting for you to see to hear my thoughts about Bitcoin, where is accurate entry place, what is the best place to open entry, what plans could be for long term, for mid term. Friends, write please it into a chat. Yeah, bro, please tell us. Yes, it's interesting. Yes, good, good. Friends, yes, write more your comments in the chat. You are very helpful. I learned a lot from you. Yes, thank you, and you're welcome. Thank you, you're welcome, Alexandria. Very interesting and fruitful webinar. I do my best and share my more than 6 years experience with you. That's why friends, please push like, and for me it's really pleasure to see it from your side. Now about Bitcoin, always when you analyze Bitcoin, it's important to see volume, because there is no such so many instruments which need volume. First about Bitcoin, friends, at this moment what you need to understand, you need to check everything clearly. First, we should analyze global picture and take a look. First, price few weeks ago broke up this downtrend channel. After that, you need to take a look on lower time frame. On lower time frame, picture is not such bullish like on a higher time frame. Take a look on this key level from which price bounced many times. On Friday, price bounced from it, but you can see that Bitcoin didn't close above, and eventually price drop. I don't think it was only a stop loss hunt. With huge possibility, I think price will come to retest this trend line into such area, and only after that we will be able to open some buy position. Because you need to understand, the best place where we can open a position would be something like in this area with stop loss below it. Only that would be a good buy entry at this moment from this perspective. But you need to understand, technically it is not accurate picture, because when Bitcoin first time came here, price if that would be really powerful picture from this place, price would start uprise. I want to show you an example which was many days before, something like here. Take a look here. When price really powerful, we have some key level, price came back to retest. After that, price rose up dramatically and sharply. At this moment, I don't see such sharply and such power in Bitcoin. Also something like here. That's why what I can tell you, we can open buy position after a little bit lower pull back to 8,000, but you don't need to put all your money. You need to have good risk management, because something is not accurate at this moment. Thanks, I lost money because of no risk management. What mindset should have now? Because focus on getting back the money only pull me back down for thanks before. You need to understand, when you focus about take money back from the market, you will lose far more. And it's a disease. First, what you need to do is stop trading. After that, you need to start learning from someone how to trade properly. You can choose some teacher from internet, or you can use our trading course, because we record a trading course where I teach about money management, how use proper money management, how to trade properly. Also, money management problems, its results that you don't have a system, a whole system, a step-by-step trading plan, where you open entry, where you close entry, what is your risk proposition, where you can increase volume, where you should decrease volume. It's a whole it's a huge bigger problem than only just taking back money. That's why right now, write to us. That's why right now you should contact us. I would open our contact here. It is link on our messages right now. Write to us. There will be a contact of my assistant Valerie, and ask her about education. At this moment, you will be able to get education with the best price, because we for first 20% we sell it with really good prices, and at this moment we have more than 15 persons. He is very humble, very polite person. Interesting analysis, Yuri thought. I have joined the live stream late. Zambia being represented. Nice to see you here. When we will finish, you will be able to see it again, and even share it with your friends. Friends, that's why at this moment, what I can tell you, those of you who interested to getting entries from me, from my 300,000 account with real statistic, with real statements, you can check below this video. You can find our contacts. I want to write contact of my assistant. It is, I would send her number. Few seconds. I would send her number. Few seconds. It is her number, and you should write to Valerie. Few seconds. Few seconds, friends. It is his telegram and her telegram and phone number. Right now, write to Valerie about signals or education, and believe me, she will offer you best price, because you are a webinar member. Thank you for your time. Also, please push like, share this webinar with your friends if you think it's really useful, and have a good trading. Bye.